Welcome back to another video on our daily vlogging series of Amazon KDP, finding profitable niches. This is a niche I found just right after this book was published, and I actually really love this idea because with AI and automation, it is so much easier to do many of these things now to be able to move out of or in addition to your low content moving into medium content. I think once you learn journals and planners and composition books, if you don't move into more complex books, like planners for business owners or planners for bloggers or have some type of niche, it's good to explore and still test things out. And so, one thing I wanted to share with you was this book about this artist for kids. It makes anywhere from $5 to $16 a day, and it is only a month old. And the BSR is it's selling. It's a great little book, and I wanted to share it with you so you could gain inspiration. They don't have any A+ content yet, but they've got influencers and even people leaving reviews about the book, so you can actually click on these and see what's inside. But it's basically facts and fun photos for kids that want to learn about Leonardo da Vinci, right? And this is just an educational biography. They're probably used AI or something similar for the cover. Very nice but simple, but allows you to see that they're making this for young readers, right? So kids that are like 8 to 12. Let's see what it actually says here. Just as part of their series, right? A book for smart kids. Want to make sure you're checking trademark and copyright to make sure a book for smart kids is not trademarked, because they're using that as a series, and that's how you can actually protect the book. It is 5 by 8. And things that I really like about this is they're adding features, right? Let's talk about the features. You've always heard me talk about features. Inspiring story for young readers. Okay, that's a feature. They're actually making this book entertaining. Number two, it's easy to understand because they've written it for children. So grabbing things from ChatGPT and not actually understanding how the young reader reads or comprehends is not going to help your book. Okay, so make sure you do your research on that. Number three, this is the feature is curiosity and creativity. And so they're challenging the reader and prompting things for innovative thinking to inspire their own interest in science and invention. Okay. A really cool thing, which I think is making this sell well, is that it's perfect for family discussions. Use this book to discuss important values like creativity, imagination, and the pursuit of knowledge, and help your child see how thinking outside the box can shape the future. Okay, so this is just a really thoughtful book. It's a self-publisher. They make 16 bucks a day on it. And over time, that's going to be a game changer, right? Like we talk about Amazon KDP, that a lot of people want to make tons of money overnight. That was not my experience. My first experience, my first 30 days, I made $19 and I just kept going and going and going and I didn't stop. Okay. So think about this, because the neat thing about when you put a little bit more time into a book like this, you can actually have more than one income stream with it. You can see that they have $1.99. If you have Kindle, it's free. And then they just went to town with the hardcover, which I absolutely love because they have more margins to scale this if they wanted to. Okay. Now the BSR is not as low, but it's still going to grab those people that are interested in having that. And there's not a lot of extra work for a hardcover. You're literally expanding the corners of a book by, I think, 1.25 inches to be able to do this. So I just wanted to share this to inspire you, to let you know that if you want to see more results, do books that are a tiny bit more complex. Move into that, spend a little bit more time on them, and be able to give customers something unique and fun. And actually, this is really interesting. This is 110 pages. Let's go back to, okay, they're the same page length. When you are doing multiple formats, you do want to keep the book as much the same as you can so the customer is having a really similar experience. So if you would love to see more videos like this, then please like and subscribe, as we're doing these daily throughout December. And thanks for being here. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.